Do it.
Hello! Welcome to another imaginary festival lineups on Reddit. But secretly it's us. So, last week, as this is the last month before download, we've switched from doing Reddit's imaginary lineups to our own, so you can take the piss out of us. Last week, you shat all over mine. Fair. I don't know if they have filmed in the back in advance, we just change our tops. Spoilers! So now, we're going to look at your one.
turn.
So,
Okay.
bring it to me.
So, the way I've done mine is I've gone for 4 bands on the Dogtooth stage, or 5 bands on the Avalanche, 6 on the Encore, and I've gone for 7 on the main stage, and I'm going to follow that all the way through. Cool?
Damn straight.
Okay, let's start. So, Friday, Dogtooth. You ready?
Bring it.
Conjurer, Infected Rain, Ministry, and then, want to know the headliner?
Yeah, bring me that headline. That's pretty sweet.
Candle Decapitation.
Fair. Yeah, that's a fair lineup. It's classic Dogtooth. Can't
Exactly.
argue that. Yeah. It's all, yeah, your sort of stuff, your sort of Dogtooth.
I had to throw something in there for my girl Sherry, so...
Cool. Bring on the Avalanche. Let me judge this heinously.
Okay. Well, this day I have gone... Ready?
Yeah.
Static Dress, Holding Absence, Trash Bow, Frank Turner.
That sounds like a tour that's actually... Well, the first 3 definitely sound like a tour that happened. That's cool.
Would you like to know the headliner?
Who's going to top Frank?
Who else but your favourite Welsh boys, Funeral for a Friend?
Yes, that's actually a really good lineup. Yeah. I mean, Frank's good enough to headline, but yeah, cool. Funeral topping that. That's perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And now for the Encore stage. So I've gone for a mixture of what I know is popular, what hasn't been there, and just me being selfish. So we're going to open up with a band I like that is not well known enough, Vanity Kills. That's going to be followed by The Birthday Massacre, Those Damn Crows, Bikini Kill, and Dropkick Murphys.
Oh, dope. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, I wanted to bring in some of that, female punk.
Yeah, that's
So
good.
why not? And for our headliner, Billy Talent.
Cool. Yeah, they should probably be about that level. I'm sure people will disagree, but
Oh yeah,
they've been around long enough, they've got enough material, and I really like them, so go fuck yourself.
exactly. And for the main stage, I've gone for a Let's Party Metal Day. So, we're going to start and open the whole fucking festival with Andrew W.K.
That is fair.
And then he's going to be followed by Spirit Box, Ginger, Disturbed, Trivia, and Korn.
Ooh. Trivia and Corn up there, that's very interesting. Cool, so who's going to top that?
My favourite German men, Rammstein!
You finally get your wish that way.
Yay!
Yeah.
I just think they're amazing when they are headliners at Download. It's
Yeah,
so good.
they've been away from it long enough. They should be up
This
there.
was the year they were last there, 2016. That's
Exactly.
why I'm wearing
It's
it.
long enough. They should have come back by now.
Yeah.
Maybe that'll be that special announcement for next year that Copping's got. Doubt it though, probably cock it up somehow.
So you can see I've gone for a lot of fan favourites and classics coming back, but also I've tried to throw in a lot of new elements and try and twist it up a bit.
Yeah.
And that's going to be my running theme for this whole thing.
Cool.
Plus just my own selfish tastes.
That's
So
fine.
let's move on to Saturday.
Saturday!
So we're back onto the Dogtooth. Opening up the Dogtooth, we have another lesser known but should be more popular, Pretty Addicted. Followed by All Hail the Yeti.
Cool.
And then we're going to have Her Name in Blood.
Excellent. Cool.
And our headliner for that, we are going to go to the deepest bowels of hell. What turn?
Yeah, that's pretty dope.
We're going to have sacrifices and blood and fire.
So yeah, this really is just going... Oh, it's not the Dogtooth stage, it's just a mini Bloodstock, which...
Yeah, which I think
It's
is
fine.
absolutely fair to do.
It should just be the Bloodstock stage, so that way you can get rid of Vicky from being associated with it.
I'm going to move on to the Avalanche. I've thrown in a little bit of my own taste here because I wanted some more female representation.
Yeah.
So we're going to open with one of my favourite TikTokers, Bronny. She's going to be followed by CLTDRP, or Clit Drip as I like to call
Yeah,
them.
they're really good.
Followed by Icon for Hire. So we have a trio of females, and they're going to be followed by Punk Rock Factory.
It's a bizarre way to go with it, but...
Well, if you're going all females, you've got to go Disney in there. That's my personal opinion, but...
Fine, fair, yeah.
And who else can precede Punk Rock Factory and keep that fun?
Proceed.
Who else can follow? Shut up. So who else can follow Punk Rock Factory and keep that party going other than Bowling for Soup?
Yeah, they like to hang out together. And it means that Jared could come on stage for a couple of songs that he's done with them. That'd be sweet.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah,
Okay.
Makes sense. Perfectly logical stage. Really good flow to it. I like that you went for the female fronting side as well, because I did that a bit myself. Why not?
Well, I've noticed there's a lot of lack of it.
They should do that for a day. It'd be really good for one stage to go, women empowerment. These women are good.
Yeah.
Get Millie Manders in there wherever I've stuck her. That'd be sweet. But
On to the encore. So this is half me, half you, a lot of partying going on here. We're going to open with St. Agnes, followed by Code Orange, Iceland Kills, Fallen in Reverse, and Crossfade.
nice.
And the headliners for that stage, Limp Bizkit.
Nice, yeah, that's pretty sweet. It also stopped people bitching about, Limp Bizkit can't headline. Yeah, they can, fuck off. But yeah, they're headlining the stage, that's a perfect positioning for it. I get Crossfaith, I get Limp Bizkit. I've forgotten everything else because those two just go, whoo, focus on them.
Exactly. You can get burritos while I'm focusing on my favourites.
You've got enough stuff on the other stages. I'm sorted for the day, I don't care.
Well, we're going on to the main stage now. We're going to open with, to help the people that are still suffering from massive hangovers, The Who. We're going to go to that Mongolian metal.
Not the mods, the Mongolian throat singing.
That's the one.
Good.
They're going to be followed by Killswitch Engage, Lacuna Coil, Shinedown, Tenacious D, Nightwish. I wanted to get a good mixture of like fan favourites, things that need to be done on there, vice versa.
Yeah, and you can't say she's pandering to me because she put Tenacious D on there, and if you've watched any of these that contain them, you know I don't bloody like them.
Well, it makes sense to have Tenacious D for my headliner. Foo Fighters!
Okay, yeah, that's
We
fair.
need them there.
Yeah,
they deserve it.
Then you get the crossover between that going on. Yeah,
I
that's
just
fair.
want one of them dressed as the devil. I just want one of them. I think it'd be hilarious.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, well now we shall move on to Sunday, Dogtooth. Ready?
Excellent, bring it.
Loathe, Crystal Lake, and Party Cannon.
Oh, dope, yeah.
And our headliners, your Ipswich boys, Cradle of Filth.
Hey, Danny's back.
It was going to happen.
It's gonna happen. I mean, they're legends at this point and classics. So
Yeah, look at us.
if it's not Danny, it'll be Dimmu. So
Yeah.
those two are interchangeable. Whichever camp you grew up liking, that's the one you're passionate about. So cool.
Yep. And onto the Avalanche. We're going to open with my new favourite, Millie Manders and the Shut Up.
Oh, excellent. That girl's good. Go check her out.
And we're going to be followed by Meet Me at the Altar, Pale Waves, and Jamie Lennon.
Ooh, nice. Yeah.
And our headliner for that day,
Bring it on, bitch.
Less Than Jake.
I definitely converted this girl to Less Than Jake then.
They're fun. They make
Trombones
sense.
are fun.
I was trying to do a trombone, but it looked
I
quite
know,
dirty.
but trombones are fun.
Yes, they are.
Yes. Put more trombones in music.
Yes. Okay. So, encore stage.
Encore, bring that on.
We're going to open with The Men That Will Not Be Blamed for Nothing,
Cool.
followed by September Morning, Wednesday 13, In This Moment, and I'm on a Mouth. Our headliner for the day, Lamb of God.
You've gone for a very heavy finish there. I quite like that.
It made sense to me. We're going to go out with a bang.
Perfect.
We got one stage for heavy. We're going to go slightly more punk on the main stage.
Cool.
Let's start with Italian Eurovision winners, Manskin.
Cool. No interest in them, but
Okay. Alien Weaponry to follow, Frank Carter and the Rattlesnakes. Hailstorm, Sum 41, Rise Against.
nice. That is good. I like that.
And to close out the festival, I think they're sorely needed by this point, Green Day.
They are very sorely needed by this point. Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
And I didn't actually include online, but now I'm just going to throw it in and fix it up later. Things that are going on over the weekend that I think would be cool to see.
Yeah.
So you've got the standard like fairground. We do see wrestling there a lot. I liked your idea of the skate park,
Bring that back.
but that's
please.
not something I would have like put in like
No,
originally
it's
before
not.
hearing
It's
it.
not your idea. So, what would be your idea for a across the weekend featuring?
I would like to see travelling tropes from the Circus of Horrors, but like bring more in rather than just like the standard stuff we normally see.
Yeah.
You know, I liked it when they did at night, high risk but less show, where we saw like things with grinders and things going up on hooks and everything else.
Yeah.
I think it would be really cool, like, because we get the motorbike bowl. What if in the main stage, like, field, like, in the main area,
Yeah.
we have people doing dirt bike tricks. I think that would be kind of cool to see. I liked when there was, like, a jousting reenactment that wasn't quite up there for me.
Yeah, you can't really stick jousting at download when you can't top bin jousting. It's unlicensed, unethical, and utterly hilarious.
Well, given all that, given everything you've heard, how are you going to rate my festival? Because I'm obviously going to give it like 100 out of 10.
Yeah, obviously. Of course you'd have to up my points. Yeah, I'll give that a solid 8.5. I do really like it. It's a good lineup, good mix of stuff going on, good theming on certain stages as well, and the extra stuff across the festival just makes it fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be fun.
Okay, so that was this week's one. Let's see what happens next week when we decide what we're going to do then, because we have no idea.
Oh, we know. We've discussed this.
We do? We do.
We're going to combine our forces, join together, and make a dream. So, join us next week for when we slap our two stupid brains together and make a combined dream download, which might cater to more than just us that way.
Yeah.
If you liked what you saw, hit us a like. If you dislike it, call us cunts in the comments. And if you want to see more, hit subscribe and come back next week with some more.
Yes.
There should be some more stuff getting dotted around in between these weeklies as well, so keep an eye out for it. See ya!
Bye!